Welcome class. This is the second chapter of your book. This is the second book as well. So here we're going to learn about the further explanatory part of your book. Okay. So till now we have discussed that Election Commission of India was set up in January 1950, and your Sukumar Sen was the first chief election commissioner at that time. Okay. Then the country first general election were conducted in 1951, and at that time there were 17 crore eligible voters who had to elect about 3,200 MLAs and 489 members of Lok Sabha. First general elections held from October 1951 to February 1952. So this election refers to as 1952 election. Okay, this was the first election where campaigning, polling and counting was done, and this takes about your 6 months. All right, very good. So now coming to the detailed thing about this particular time. So it is mentioned here that most of the editor, most of the leaders describing that this will not be possible, this type of election cannot be held, or it is impossible that we can have this particular agreement, that all the voters or all the people criticizing this election. But there are some challenges which are faced by the voters of India in a very enthusiastic manner, even the losers also accepting the fair view of the elections. So election जो हुआ था वो बहुत ही बढ़िया हुआ था, यहाँ तक कि जो हार गए थे वो भी इस चीज़ को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे थे. यहाँ पे एक येलो शीट दिया है जिसमें मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद की बात की गई है. इनका रियल नेम जो है अब्दुल कलाम मोहिउद्दीन अहमद है. ये एक स्कॉलर ऑफ इस्लाम हैं, इस्लाम के बहुत अच्छे जानकार हैं, फ्रीडम फाइटर रह चुके हैं, कांग्रेस लीडर रह चुके हैं, और यही एक लीडर थे जिन्होंने ये कहा कि हिंदू और मुस्लिम यूनिटी होनी चाहिए. पहली बार ये पार्टीशन के एकदम अगेंस्ट थे. देन मेंबर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली भी रह चुके हैं, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर इन द फर्स्ट कैबिनेट ऑफ फ्री इंडिया. हमारे जो कैबिनेट मिनिस्ट्री थी उसमें ये हमारे एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर थे जब हमारा देश आज़ाद हो गया था. ऑलराइट, ये यहाँ पे मेंशन है. सो दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क, यू हैव टू लर्न दिस वर्क. ऑलराइट, so this is important. Okay, this is important. Now we are going to learn the next topic, that is the Congress dominance in the first 3 general elections. So as you have learnt in your previous class, I do remember this because you have seen there that how Congress were leading every election. So we will learn here about the how the Congress dominance in first 3 general elections. We will look in a detail now here.